Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Slaybyciara here. I know it's been a minute, but it's okay. I'm back with a bomb tutorial for you guys on this lovely Bohemian Faux loc goddess, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot going on, but I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna make this intro really short. If you guys want to see how I did do these Bohemian goddess locks, then continue to watch the video. First, to start off, I'm just showing you guys what my hair is looking like. So these are all the individuals that I'm gonna do. It's literally just the front of my head, and then the back of my head is all braided. I know my braids look a hot mess. It's okay though. But this is the hair that I'm using. It's the Bobbi Boss Soul Locs in 12 inches in the color T1B/burgundy, and I believe I used around 5 packs of this hair, I would say. So first, I'm just showing you the traditional method of crocheting the hair. So you stick the loop through your braid, and then you grab the end of the lock and just pull it through the loop. So the traditional method is very simple. Just stick, again, the hook through your braid, grab the loop, and then pull the lock through the loop, and then that's basically what you're gonna do to the back side of your head. So I did do zigzag braids around my entire head. As you can see, my braids are not perfect. I don't know why I struggle so much with braiding my own hair, but it is what it is. So yes, as you can see, like on sections of the braids where there's just hair, you can crochet into your regular hair, like wherever there's gaps or whatnot, so don't even be afraid about that. So just kind of just fill all around and just crochet all the locks in until you really don't feel any space or gaps. So this, now I'm showing you just what my back looks like with all the crochet. So it looks pretty good. I try to get all the spaces like I was telling you guys. So here I'm showing you 2 different locks. So the packaging is different. Like as you see, one is thinner and looser and one is thicker. So I use the looser ones for just the regular crochet, and for the individual ones you want to use kind of the thicker one. Because I feel like it'll hold the hair better, because with the looser one, it'll just slip out. So for the individual method, I'm just sticking the hook through my hair and then pulling the loop through. And then now I'm gonna grab the lock and my own braid, and we're gonna pull that through the loop. So once you have that through, now you're kind of just gonna pull it and secure the lock to make sure it's on there. Next, you're going to basically just stick the crochet needle, or the latch hook needle, I should say, the latch hook needle all the way through until you get to the very top. And then once you've gotten to the very top, you're just going to attach your braid to the latch hook. You're going to close it, and then you're just going to pull it through. And as you see, I kind of only went halfway. It's just easier for me to control the latch hook going through the lock that way. So now I'm just starting from the bottom of the lock, and I'm just gonna go stick the latch hook all the way through until where my braid is sticking out. So that's very important. You want to make sure you go all the way into where your braid is sticking out, so that's the way it'll be like a seamlessly through the lock. I hope that's making sense. But we're gonna go through this one more time just to make sure I'm stating everything properly for you guys, okay? So in real time here, I'm sticking the latch hook through my hair, and then I'm pulling the loop through, and then we're gonna grab my hair and the lock, and we're gonna pull that through the loop. All right, there. So now we're just gonna tighten it, and next I'm starting halfway through, and I'm just gonna stick the latch hook all the way through until I get to the very top. And if your latch hook pokes out, it's okay. Just bring it back down and then go right back up. It's very simple to do. Then attach my braid, and then we're going to pull the braid all the way through. And as you can see, I only went halfway through. So now we're going to start from the bottom, and we're going to pull this latch hook through until we get to where my braid is sticking out. And once we get there, we're going to then again attach my braid and stick it all the way through. All right, we got through that. Okay, so now I'm just showing you guys one more time in real time, and then I'm just gonna speed it up and finish installing the rest of my locks. Okay, so now this is where we kind of get that bohemian vibe. I'm going in with, this hair is from Main Concept Hair, and it is the Caribbean Water Wave. 10 inches in the color T1B/burgundy. So it's kind of a curly hair. The pattern is super cute. So this is where you get to be creative and kind of just place this hair all over wherever you feel like. Here I'm kind of just installing this with the kind of invisible part method. Yeah, that's the invisible part method for crochet hair. But besides that, like I said, you kind of just want to install this hair wherever you feel like. It's kind of randomly placed, so there's no exact place to put it. Just use your creativity, and wherever you feel like you need to add hair, go for it. So I'm just adding it all around my head wherever I feel like it, and then next I'm kind of going to add it into my locks. So as you see, I'm just sticking the latch hook through like a little section, and then I'm just sticking, pulling the curly hair through and leaving some out. So that's really all there is to it. Just be creative with this part basically. And next I'm just adding accessories. So all of my accessories I did get from the beauty supply store. They have different little gold clips and whatnot to choose from. I do also have some like stretchy cord on my hair, and I did get that from Walmart, but I'll also list that in the description. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just customizing it and giving it more of that bohemian vibe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I do hope that you did enjoy and that you're feeling this look as much as I am. I would say this was very quick for me to do. It's probably like one of the fastest ones I've done. It took me probably about like 2 hours, I'll say maybe 2.5 hours to do everything. So it's fairly quick, like fairly quick. So this is definitely something that you can do on your own. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me and leave some comments below. And I definitely take all feedback, so good, bad, whatever you want to see me improve on, definitely let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you in my next video, which will be fairly soon. Okay, I'm gonna be more consistent for this year. That is the goal. So yeah, thanks again for watching and enjoy the rest of your week.